When you've got raw footage and a script to follow, you shouldn't have to scrub through hours of video just to find the right takes. With Cutback, you can build your edit directly from your script. Open Auto Rough Cut and let the footage analysis run. In the chat area, type Edit according to script or select it from the list. Got the full script? Just paste the text right in. Once you input the script, Cutback will generate a draft edit with everything that doesn't match the script removed. If there are multiple takes of the same lines, you'll be prompted to review and select the best one, so you're still in full control. When you're happy with the cut, hit Save Draft, then apply to sequence, and the final edit appears in your timeline, ready to refine, so you can focus on what really matters.